Get ready, this is an passage containing 600 words which I am going to dictate you at a speed of 80 words per minute. 5 seconds to go. Get ready, start. Here Mr. Z. Goswami, Learned Counsel for the Appeal and Mr. U.K. Nair, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. R. Singha, the Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of the Interim Resolution Professional, appointed for the respondent by the National Company Law Tribunal in CP IB number 10/2012. This is an application under section 37 1 2 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 the Act of 1996, challenging the order dated 4/1/2019 passed in miscellaneous case number 56/2019, whereby the Court of the Additional District Judge number 1 Kamrup at Gauhati find the said order had restrained the appellant herein from invoking or encashing the performance bank guarantee amount rupees 2,20,000 furnished by the respondent, and also from forfeiting the security deposit and earnest money deposited by it for the work allotted to it. At this stage, it may be relevant herein to mention that the said order was passed ex parte. It is also pertinent to mention that the appellants had also filed the written objection in the said miscellaneous case number 56/2019, and the same is presently pending before the said Court of the Additional District Judge number 1 Kamrup at Gauhati. Mr. Z. Goswami, the Learned Counsel for the appellant, submits that till date, the said miscellaneous case number 56/2019 is still pending before the court below the order impugned, and the delay in disposal of the said miscellaneous case has seriously affected the right of the appellants. As the miscellaneous case number 56/2019 is still pending adjudication before the Court of the Additional District Judge number 1 Kamrup at Gauhati, this court would confine its adjudication to the legality and validity of the impugned order, keeping the said aspect of the matter in mind. The brief fact of the instant case is that, pursuant to a tender process, the respondent was entrusted with the work, namely artwork in cutting to form formation and in filing to form embankment, including mechanical compaction for making proposed tuple terminal yard, and from kilometer 97,000 to 98,000 in between Noni to Tupul, including construction of minor bridges and other ancillary works in connection with construction of new railway line from Jirubam to Pul. The letter of acceptance was issued to the respondent on 7/7/2015, and the contract value was rupees 4 lakhs. The performance guarantee on the form of bank guarantee in the form of bank guarantee issued by State Bank of India was submitted on 19/8/2015 for a value of rupees 2 lakhs, and a contract agreement was signed on 7/12/2015. The completion period was 9 months from the letter of acceptance. It may be relevant to mention that the said bank guarantee was extended from time to time, and the last of such extension was given on 15/4/2019, whereby the validity was up to 10/4/2002. Stop para. It is the case of the appellants that the respondent failed to perform its part of the contract as per the terms of contract, and as such a termination notice was issued. Filed letter number W/60/con/ZT/EMB/2014/12/2097, dated 1/11/2019 as per clause 62 of the general condition of the contract. Stop para. The respondent herein, after receiving the termination notice dated 1/1/2019, filed an application under Section 9 of the Act of 1996 before the Court of the Additional District Judge number 1, Kamrup, Guwahati, which was registered and numbered as miscellaneous case number 56/2019, praying for grant of interim measure by way of injunction restraining the appellant from invoking the relevant clauses of the contract, invoking the bank guarantee dated 15/4/2019 for an amount of Rs 2 lakh issued by the State Bank of India. Stop.